Now to cook the fried rice, the first thing we need to do is a nice hot pan. Egg is to make sure that the rice remain nice and dry. It absorbs all the moistures excess in the rice. And after that, put in our garlic to slightly brown it. As you can see, everything is sizzling in there. It means the pan is nice and hot. Now we'll put in our rice. Important when you put in the rice, you have to break the rice into little grains. That way it will cook even. Next we do is put in about half a teaspoon of salt. You don't want the fried rice to be too salty. Onion. We don't want to put our spring onion too early because we don't want it to be burnt. We just want to lightly cook it. We have a couple of turns of pepper. There you go, our rice is done. Turn off the heat.